Welcome to the Thrifty Moms DIY. I'm your host, Mama Thrifty. Today we're going to be making planter boxes out of wood pallets. Here's a list of the items that you need. You can also find the list in my blog post. The link is in the description of this video. Step 1 is preparing your wood pallet. Before you start any wood pallet project, I highly suggest cleaning them with either plain water to get the mud and muck off, or also a disinfectant, especially if they've been sitting outside in the elements for a while. Any type of bleach will do, mold or mildew remover as well will work. After you've cleaned your wood pallet, you need to go ahead and cut it down into manageable pieces. I've tried in the past to pull the nails out and to use a crowbar or pry bar to get them apart. Honestly, the effort it takes and the damage that is done isn't worth it, so I just cut the wood pallets apart with a skill saw. This is an image showing roughly where I cut between the support pieces. Once you have your wood pallet cut down into manageable pieces, you then need to cut them to fit the plastic planter boxes and stakes. I did this by adding 1 inch on each side. I then cut the stakes down to my desired height of 24 inches, which made it to where I needed about 6 to 7 wood pallet pieces on each side, depending upon the size of each piece to get my desired height. Here's an image of things coming together. I ended up using 2 screws for each wood pallet slat. One on the right and one on the left. You could use a nail gun as well to get a cleaner look. Also, it looks like the planter is upside down in the image, but it's actually not. I use the end tips of the wood stake to give me more room to place my planter boxes, and it gives me a little gap to remove them if needed. Once you've screwed or nailed everything together, you can go ahead and place your planter box inside. I added my soil and potato vines beforehand, and I think it came out pretty good. I can't remember what the other plant is, but the potato vine killed it anyway, so it's a moot point. Here's an image of the rectangular version that I made. Check out my website to see how to make this version and all the measurements that are needed. The link is in the description of the video. This was a really fun project to make, and I hope you all enjoyed it too. I think all in all it cost me about $30-ish to make because I got the wood pallets for free. What cost me the most was the plastic planter boxes, the soil, and the plants. If you had those items already, it would be even cheaper. Here's a great tip. I use these all year round. In the fall, I swap out the annual plants for very colorful, fall-looking fake ferns that I bought on clearance from a home decor store. Or you can use perennials that would last longer too. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe to see even more DIY videos from Thrifty Mom's DIY channel.